Alright, how can we add citations to our document? Okay, it's important to have the extension and the program, got it? Let's try to put some text here as an example. Well, that's interesting. There it is, see? This text works fine. Now, let's go to Zotero and click on Add Citation, okay? Here, it's asking what type of citation we want. Let's choose APA citation. We'll select language, US English is fine, then click OK. Now it's asking us what kind of resource we want, right? Let's click on Classic View to see what we can cite. Let's say we want to cite these two. We click OK. It's loading, and as you can see, it cites the first part. So, what happens next? This probably doesn't interest us, so we click Zotero, add or edit bibliography, okay, and there's what we really want, right? This helps with bibliography and citations, which we'll add throughout the text, okay? Classic View, click, okay. So we put the citation there, Santos, right? Santos et al. Then in the bibliography, we'd put it as it's normally cited, okay? This is basically done by having the extension, and that's it, alright? It's that simple.